Hey everybody, hi and welcome, and thanks so much for spending a little bit of your day with me. And just Wyatt has decided to show up for work today. Super excited because my latest Stitch Fix is here. I cannot wait to see what's inside this box and see how my new stylist did. Yep, no more Kate. I'm so upset. Loved Kate. She was the very best. I was so happy whenever Kate became my stylist. However, Kate Benz, who you guys may be familiar with because she has an awesome YouTube channel, has, well, that was loud. The joys of being outside. Kate has moved to a location that is not close to a Stitch Fix hub, and while their stylists are allowed to work remote, and that's encouraged and fine, they do like you to guess be near a hub, and she is not no longer near one, so therefore she no longer works for Stitch Fix. Oh, so sad face. So I have a new stylist. So anyway, the rest of this video is be happy. I wish Kate lots of happiness. I'll still be following her and seeing how she's doing. And she had suggested a different stylist to me who I requested. We'll see if I got her or not. A senior or senior stylist, which some of you had thought meant an older stylist, but that just actually means an experienced stylist. Someone who's been in the job for a while. So anyway, hopefully I got that person, and we'll see how they did with my box. I'm super excited. If you're not familiar with Stitch Fix and haven't watched any of my unboxings before, it is a styling service, probably the very first one that ever kicked off ever, and you have a $20 styling fee. It goes against anything that you keep. You get 5 items, and keep what you love, send back what you don't. If you keep at least one item, that $20 gets applied towards what you kept. If you keep all, you get a 25% discount. You do get a stylist. You do fill out a profile, and hopefully you get items that you love. All right. Right inside the flap of the box, it does tell you what to do once you get your box, in case you're not sure. You do get an envelope to send back anything you don't love and don't want to keep. And here's what my box looks like. Looks like I got shoes there at the bottom. Do you see the gray? It looks like the new shoe bags they're doing. You do get a little envelope with all of your information, notes from your stylist, and ideas of how to wear the items, as well as your pricing sheet. So let's see. Here's my bundle. I see color. I always have been asking a lot for summer colors. I want the bright colors. No more pants have been most of my notes. And here is my shoe bag. These feel light. They feel very light. Let's see. Let's look at the shoes first, because I'm so curious. Oh, and then I don't even see them. They're wrapped up very well. I can't even see what they look like. All right, so these are a flat, and they come up really high on my on my foot, which is 2 things I generally don't ask for. I generally ask for at least a 2-inch heel. And I've been asking a lot for things that don't come up high on my ankle, because I just feel like it cuts me off. But we'll see what these look like and give them a try. They're like a taupey color, have the cute little cutouts, and the zippers on the back. And these are by Report. Yeah, Report. Okay. All right, let's check out my bundle here. Oh, I like this bright purple. This first item is by 41 Hawthorn. It does have the little ties. They love those ties on these types of tops, don't they? It does have an elastic band at the bottom too. All right, strike 2, but the color is gorgeous. So this is a beautiful purpley color. And it is sleeveless, which I asked for sleeveless tops. So we'll see what that looks like. Next up, something white. This is a top by Fortune and Ivy. Oh, and this one is really high up on the neckline. That's a concern. Has a little keyhole in the back. Cute little, what is that called? I'm sure they probably tell you. Around the arms. It is lined, but that neckline's probably not going to work for me. We'll see what it looks like when it's on. Next, what is this? This is this is also by Fortune & Ivy, and I think this is a jumpsuit. Yeah. So this is a jumpsuit. I think it's cropped. It looks cropped to me. Has the nice vertical striping in these blues and pinks. And I think this is actually black and white too. See the pattern? Elastic waist, crossover top. So that's cute. We'll see what that looks like. All right, and the last item is a pair of shorts. And these are by Dear John. So those are cute. I like these. I usually have to size down in Dear John, so these might not be my size, but we'll try them. These are cute. I like these. I like the green color. All right, let's see who my stylist is. All right, it is, I have requested Jennifer, and my stylist is Jennifer, so hopefully it's the right one. Okay, it says Happy Fix Day, and this is fix number what? Because I've been doing Stitch Fix for quite some time now. Number 73. I was curious. Okay. Hi Laura, Happy Fix Day. I hope this finds you and your loved ones safe and well. With Kate's departure, I am honored that she recommended me to you and look forward to getting to know you through these fixes. I know you and she had a great rapport, and I hope to continue finding fun items to expand your wardrobe. Since you're looking for brighter colors, I began today with these Dear John shorts. The bold green is perfect for summer, and the stretch cotton fabric makes for a comfortable fit. Pair with your blue paper moon blouse from last fix, or that would be really pretty, or this white Fortune Ivy blouse for two stylish elevated casual looks. For a more relaxed combo, wear the shorts with your favorite tees. The purple 41 Hawthorn blouse is another bright hue and will pair beautifully with white denim and these Rapport footwear sandals. Enjoy and take care, Jennifer. So thankfully Stitch Fix did listen to me and gave me the stylist I requested. Yay. That's a really good thing. I love when they listen to me. Obviously, Jennifer, this is the first box that she's styled for me, so she might not be aware that I can't wear things too high up on the neck. Or maybe she didn't realize that that looks like it's kind of high. We'll see. All right. Can't wait to see how this goes. Let's get straight to this try on. Okay, so first outfit, I have on 3 of the 5 pieces. So I put on this pretty scalloped, I remember what this is called, the scalloped arms top with this little pleating here in the front. And so Jennifer was right. This is low enough on my neck, so I panicked unnecessarily. My anxiety kicked in pretty early as soon as I saw it, but no need. This is a good couple inches down below where it would be to provide me anxiety. So I'm good. This top is good. And it is lined, so this is a really pretty top. It needs to be put in the dryer to fluff it out a little bit. There's a couple wrinkles, but I have on the shoes and the shorts. I'm not sure I love the shoes. We'll start with them. They're not really my normal style. They're a lot covering the top of my foot that I'm not really loving. The color's not bad, but the wind's going to kick up now. Hopefully that doesn't come across on camera, but not really loving the shoes very much. You guys let me know what you think. Okay, the shorts I love. So the Dear John shorts I love. I do have room in them, as you can see, but I think that if I wear them more relaxed, I probably don't need to size down. So they're not bad. I kind of like them. I think that maybe the relaxed fit maybe will keep the pockets from not poking out when I walk. A little bit they do, but not too bad. So I do have some room, but they're okay. And then the top. What do you guys think of this top? Do you like this little pleating in the front? I kind of do like the neckline. I do not mind the scallop little sleeves. I think those are pretty. It's a nice little flowy length, but it doesn't stick out, so that's nice. So I'm just trying to figure out if I like this little pleating in the front. I keep wanting to fix it. Get a little closer so you guys can see it. Let me know what you think. Alright, that's the first 3 pieces. It looks funny sitting over there. Alright, let's do the next outfit. Alright, I got the second outfit on, which is this fun little jumpsuit with the vertical striping. I wasn't sure what colored shoes to put on, so I went with clear, just so not to draw away from all the fun colors in this jumpsuit. What do you guys think of this one? Obviously it has the fun pockets, it has the little crossover. It is attached here. This is a permanent stitch here. It has the crossover in the back as well. You might not be able to see it with the tag. Flowy bottom, cropped. I do have a lot of room at the top, so that concerns me a little bit. But it makes for an overall flowy fit. What do you guys think of this one? A little bit closer. Has the thicker elastic around the middle. It is stretchy, it's roomy, it's comfy and relaxed. I'm just worried about how much room I have here at the top, basically under the arms. But this is stitched, so that's really nice, and I don't need to worry about that. Lots of flow you can see in the wind. Alright, I think all I have left now is the purple top, so let's do it. Alright, so the last item is this purple blouse. It does have this elastic waist bottom, has the little ties. It's in this very pretty purple color. And I just put it on with the jean skirt that I had on to start this video. It's by Can Can. So here is the look. It does have the like little gathers here around the neckline. And give you a little bit of a closer look. I'm not sure I love the elastic around the bottom. Yeah, I'm not sure that I would reach for this. Let me know what you guys think of this one. It's not bad. There's nothing really wrong with it. I just don't know if I would reach for it between the ties and the elastic and the fact that it's a little bit darker, but I do like the color. I do like the color. It's a really pretty purple. And that's all my items, so let's do a quick wrap up and talk pricing. Okay, so what did you guys think of that try on? I thought Jennifer did a great job for my first fix that she styled for me. I don't think I have a 5 for 5 though, but let's run through it. First up is the 41 Hawthorn tie neck detail blouse, and that was this purple, which is a really pretty purple. I don't think that I love the elastic bottom. I don't love the ties, but the top isn't bad. It's $58. But I don't love it. I like it, but I don't love it. All right, next up is the Lindsay laser cut sandal by Report. So that's these. And I didn't like them. They were only $45, but I just don't like them. They're just not me. All right, then we have the Giavanna Smocked waist jumpsuit. So this was only $58. What did you guys think of this? I really want to know. Did you like it on me? I actually think I need to size down in it if it's possible. So this was a small, and this must be navy in here. It actually looked black to me, but they're calling this navy, so this must be navy in this print. And I think I might like to try this in a extra small if possible. Because I thought it was a little big on me. I think it would look better if it was a little smaller. But it is $58, and I don't think that's a bad price for it. All right, then we have the Fortune and Ivy Valdez scallop trim detail top. This was only $36. What did you guys think of this one? Not a bad price. I liked it much better on than I thought I was going to, and I would like to know what you guys thought. And then we have the Dear John Finnegan roll cuff short. These were $58 as well. So I do the Style Pass, which is $49 a year, and then you don't pay a styling fee. So I do not have a styling fee to apply to any of these pieces, so that's not an issue. All of my Stylist picks were $255. If I were to buy all, it would be a $63.75 credit, bringing my order down to $191.25 for everything. So right now I'm thinking if I wanted to keep anything, it would be the Dear John shorts and the jumpsuit. Those are the two I'm thinking about, but I would have to see if I can get that jumpsuit in a smaller size because I didn't think that was a bad price. But I would not get the discount, and I don't have any credit or anything to apply towards anything right now. So, what to do? What did you guys think? What were your favorite pieces? If I had to pick between the shorts and the jumpsuit, which do you guys think it would be it? All right, so please share below. Let me know what you guys thought. What is the one keeper that you thought would be from this box? This was still a good one. I so appreciate Jennifer taking me on. I miss you, Kate. Hope you're doing well. If you're watching, hope you're all settled and doing really well, and I miss you. And welcome, Jennifer. Yeah, thank you so much for my first fix. I will leave you lots of comments, and I definitely like the price points of these items. That was awesome. There's nothing here over, most expensive items are $58. Nothing here that's overly expensive, which was awesome. Just awesome. Can't beat that. I will list all these items down below in case you want to request any of them from your stylist. I'll put my link down below for you as well. If you use my link, you'll get $25 towards your first box, and I also get $25 towards my next box. Awesome. So thanks so much for spending time with me today. I so appreciate it. I hope you enjoyed this unboxing. I so appreciate you spending the time with me. Would love you to hit that like. Would love you to hang out for the long haul and hit that subscribe button. It really helps me out. And if you already subscribed, thank you so very much. I have the very best subscribers. Until next time, everyone, please stay healthy. Please stay well. Please take care of yourself and those around you. Have an awesome day.